Hey everyone, it's me again. My name is Stanley and welcome to 3 Minute Design. Today I want to talk about the concept of design as a story. I've been reading a very interesting book. The title is Writing is Designing. Quite literally, you can imagine what the book is about. The author argues that whenever you design something, you should actually write it first. Because when you write it, you kind of avoids this beautiful face, let's say, and you go straight to what do you want to achieve, what do you want to convey. And I agree with it a lot. I will link this book in description in case you want to read it. But I totally agree with this idea that our design is the way we talk. So when you create something, you should think about what does it communicate. Even in the Netflix series Abstract, there is this guy, I don't remember his name, but he's an illustrator. And he says that every picture, every illustration that he does has some kind of a story. It has some kind of a message that it wants to convey, something that it wants to say to people, right? So whenever you are creating illustrations or a website, for example, you should think about what do you actually want to achieve and what do you want to say with this design, right? So let's say you're doing landing page and you're thinking, and I've seen this many times, people are doing like, okay, let's toss some, like, what are we, like, we're design studio, let's say, services that you use, then the theme maybe, right? And that's it, or maybe it works, and yeah, that's it. But it doesn't actually say anything valuable, you know? It's just like tossing some kind of a random facts on one page, like, yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. That's kind of like if you were cooking and you took a steak, for example, and then the shrimps and then the chocolate, you know, it just doesn't fit. Although those components are great, it just doesn't fit. Or maybe that's just a strange ass meal I don't know about. But basing on a usual idea, it doesn't fit at all. So you should think about the uniformity of the whole message that you are trying to convey and what is the main thing. And you could summarize that by one line. So yeah, try that. Go ahead and see your landing page, and if you were to name it in one sentence, what would that sentence be? I'm interested, so please write that in the comments. Let's discuss about it. Cheers.